All right. Hi, I'm Jacob. I want to share with you some portfolio tips. So right here, I've got a character that I was designing last year, and his name's Sushi Cat. And so with every character, you want to take it through a lot of development stages. And so that involves creating a lot of drawings, really testing your character and alternating their design until you get it to a point that you're happy with and you really understand their proportions and just who they are and what shapes and what kind of character they are. So as you can see, I didn't go straight into a finished drawing when I started rotating my character. What I did is I tried to rotate the shapes first before I put any of the other details on top. And so you can see that once I had figured that out, then I went into starting to add in the details like the clothes, the arms, and some of the more complicated parts of the character. And then you'll find that doing the complete character rotation is much easier when you've done a lot of that prep work and those and a lot of studies and just test rotations with your character. It just ends up making the final product a lot more clean and just a lot more professional looking. And so then you can also apply some of that to when you start doing some of your other sections in your portfolio. So you can, and for this one I was drawing a somebody picking up their tea. And so you can see I was practicing the just the shapes, the plate that this cup is on. And of course I did the same thing with the hand, and just you practice over and over until you've got quite a good feeling of what you're going to be drawing, so that when you do end up creating your final drawing, it's the best version of that drawing you can possibly make. And so then when you go on to something like storyboarding, you want to, again, similar to your character rotation, you want to figure out the character. So I kind of did a front view of the character, and I did pretty much all the views as well, just so that I understood how to move the character and how to create them. And so again, you're going to want to make many drafts, and so then you'll get to something that's more of a finished draft. And especially in storyboarding, you want to always think about your composition. You want lines that lead the eye to where you want to look. And so here you kind of have these pigeons almost framing the face of this possum character. Something very similar in this frame right here. You've got these sharp beaks, almost as if they're arrows pointing to where you want the viewer to look. And again, their heads are almost framing the possum. And so you can carry out that kind of feeling throughout your other drawings. And then you get to something maybe like a compositional drawing. And you want to think of your foreground, you want to think of things in your background, and you want to draw through everything. Really show that structure, really show your knowledge of just objects, perspective, vanishing points, and have fun. I was drawing my room in this instance, but I also included a lot of things that weren't in my room. I had fun with making up posters and making up little things on my shelf. And so have fun with these drawings, really put in your own personality into them. And again, when you're working on these drawings, you always want to keep, like I was talking about, refining them. And so I practiced drawing a tree because I was really struggling with the tree here. And so I just got a separate sheet of paper, tried to draw it on there, and then finally in the end I put it all together. So yeah, those are just some quick tips. Good luck on your portfolios.